Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Creating broadcasting sites in any niche is a lucrative opportunity that allows you to monetize your interests while reaching a global audience. So, how do you get started? It's simple. Follow these steps to kickstart your journey to online success. Step 1. Research and choose your niche. Take some time to explore different niches and identify one that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. Whether it's cooking, gaming, fitness, or finance, there's a niche for everyone. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Create compelling content. Content is king in the world of online broadcasting. Invest time and effort into producing high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's tutorials, interviews, reviews, or live streams, make sure your content adds value and keeps viewers coming back for more. Step 3. Monetize your site. Now, here's where the magic happens. There are several ways to monetize your broadcasting site and start making money fast. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, subscriptions, or even donations from your loyal audience. Step 4. Promote your site. Building an audience takes time and effort, but with the right promotion strategy, you can accelerate your growth and increase your earning potential. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money fast online by creating broadcasting sites in any niche. If you're ready to take the plunge and start your own broadcasting empire, click the link in the description to watch our step-by-step video tutorial.